Hi, this is a quick review of the Sabichi Living or Manhatten coffee maker, which you might have seen in the Aldi recently. It's a filter coffee maker. It's about £20 and it requires filters. It doesn't have a mesh like the old coffee maker had, so it does require filter paper as well. So and you get through your warranty with it. With your kitchen being small, it's difficult to fill up with water, so you're gonna have to find, if you've got a small kitchen like me, a way of filling it up. So that's about half a litre up to the number 4 mark. Right. As you can see, it's going bloody everywhere.